It was late at night, and I was lying in bed, scrolling through my phone. The room was dark, and the only sound was the soft hum of my laptop fan. I turned off my phone screen to rest my eyes, but then I heard it. A faint, rhythmic tapping sound. It was unmistakable. Typing. But my screen was off, and my laptop was just sitting there, idle. I sat up, my heart pounding. I knew I hadn't turned on my laptop, and there was no one else in the room. The typing sound continued, steady and deliberate, as if someone was writing an email or a document. I reached over and turned on my laptop. The screen flickered to life, but there was no new activity, no open documents, no active programs, just the usual desktop background. But the typing sound was still there, louder now, as if it was coming from right behind me. I spun around, my breath catching in my throat. There was no one there. The room was empty, just as it had been all along. But the typing sound was getting louder, more insistent, as if it was trying to tell me something. Suddenly, the sound stopped. The room was silent, except for the pounding of my heart. I sat there, frozen, not daring to move. And then, just as suddenly, the sound started again. But this time, it was coming from my phone. I grabbed my phone and turned on the screen. There, in the Notes app, was a single line of text. "I miss you." And beneath it, the cursor was blinking, as if waiting for a reply.